live from Windsor, Ontario, Canada. That's right. This is Moto Steve. I am a Canadian moto vlogger. How you all doing tonight? Hope you're having a fantastic evening. Either checking out YouTube and checking out what Moto Steves are doing. Maybe you're editing your videos. Maybe you're just on there and you want to see something and you clicked on Moto Steve. Hope everyone's having a fantastic evening. My question to you guys is, how old is a bike before you sell it? Do you still have bikes that you bought years ago and you kept them, or are you the type of person to buy a bike, drive it for a couple of years, sell it, and get another bike, or buy something brand new? What is your story? Moto Steve, I would love to buy a new bike. Can I afford a new bike? Absolutely not. I bought this Buell and I paid some pretty big bucks and had to have it fixed up, so I'm in it for some serious money, and I am going to ride the crap out of this thing. As long as this bike doesn't have any major malfunctions, I am going to ride the crap out of it. Are you that type of person, or do you just get a bike, have it for a couple years, and you're like, I need something else. This is not pleasing me anymore, so I'm going to get something else. I don't know. I mean, if I had the money, I might be that guy that buys a bike every couple of years. Maybe if I saw something that I really, really liked and wanted to check out. But this is my second Buell. My first Buell I was hit on back in 2016, and I was sad because I only got one really good summer with that bike, and then I got smoked, and the bike was a complete write-off. And it sucked. I was like, man, I would love to get another Buell. And then I had a VTX, and I just wasn't happy on the VTX anymore. And just 2 falls ago, I was just like, oh, I'm selling it. I put it on the market, and it literally took 3 days, and it was sold. And then I found this Buell. I had to drive for the Buell, but it was, I just decided I wanted another Buell. I love the upright positioning, and I thought, I didn't get a long time with that other Buell, so I just thought, man, I'm going to ride this bike, and I do. Eggs for sale. But yeah, are you the type of person that you just you get a bike and you have it for a couple of years, and then once you're done, you're pretty well you're done with it, and you get something else? I mean, Harley riders, they sometimes have their bikes for 50 years, and they ride their same bike and they keep it upright. And nice little turn here, nice little. Nice little lesson in the road. That was kind of cool. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. You know what to do. Once again, we come to the time in the video where I say, you're you, I'm me. I love you guys. I'm Moto Steve, and I am